All right, I got some major work to do on her body to try to get this thing worked out right. And instead of paying so much attention to the muscles, I'm going to go for more shape. Um, the head is just a little bit big, and I'm going to have to reduce that down in size too. All right, let's get busy today and see how far I get. I put the sculpture on a lazy Susan so that I can turn it here instead of reaching all the way across my sculpting stand to sculpt the figure. It makes it a lot easier on me. I am 80 years old after all. And I'll use any excuse I can give. All right, be right back. I realized that what I was doing was getting too deep into the muscle structure and not the form. And I want to do a young girl, and I didn't want to make her too muscular. Of course, the chaps she's going to be wearing is going to be, will kind of eliminate the shape of her legs, but the hips were getting a little too wide and for what I want to achieve here. And the legs were getting just a little too thick. And so I'm just going to round things off a bit and start adding clothes and stuff like that to it. Okay, I'm going to outline the belt line. Start doing the wrinkles in the Levi's. what I'm doing is the top part of the shap, and okay, that's the top of the shap. I just put a pocket on the shap, and got to make the other one look like this one. Start doing the wrinkles in the pants or the leggings, the chaps. The leather of the chaps gets stretched over time, and where the knees are, they get pushed out and stretched out of shape. This is the hard part, is trying to work out the wrinkles and not to overdo it. Now, I've got a seam that goes from just below the back part of this thick leather at the top of the shap, and it goes all the way down to the bottom of the leg. That's where they zip up the legging. It actually has a zipper, and they zip it up onto their leg. This is more of a modern day cowgirl, not a 1800s cowgirl. I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to do the design, the leather design on the thick leather at the top of the legging. I think I know how I'm going to do it, but I got to figure that out. I don't know why this is so stressful, but it is very stressful. Oh, I see how she does her legging. She's got little snaps all the way down the legging. Huh. Well, I don't know if I'm going to put those in. I might. I've got the photograph of the legging on my iPhone, and you can see the black dots. Those are snaps that closes the front and back part of the shap. All right, I'm come to the end of today. I'll be here tomorrow. I won't be here Thursday. I've got a doctor's appointment, and so I'll be dealing with that. But I've decided to put flaps on the pockets because it just adds to it, and it separates it. Just in the picture, it looks like the pockets almost disappear into the shaps, and I just figured I'd rather have them show. So, and it adds just a little more eye candy, you might say. All right, that's the leggings right now. I'll do the back part of the leggings tomorrow, and I'm trying to get the bottom part done first, and then I can start moving up. All right, everybody, have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow. Good night. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. It really would help me. Also, check out the link below this video. It will take you to a review of my 9 instructional videos that could be very helpful to you if you're thinking of sculpting. Good night, everybody.